Admission into a course to get an MD in radiology could cost you over 2 crores. A seat in orthopedics will set you back 1 crore 70 lakhs. Surgery slightly cheaper, 70 to 80 lakhs. Don't believe it? Listen to this conversation with an agent selling seats.
Generally, I'm telling you, radio and ortho, these are two branches which are very high in demand.
Okay, all right. So they go for about, so I have to give my parents a figure actually. So it would roughly come up to 2 crores, right?
1.7, 1.2 with the tuition fee.
Okay, so this, you're saying that this MD in radiology, if I do, it'll cost me about 1 crore 70, right?
Yeah.
And what about MD in orthopedics, sir?
Yeah, to that we are on 1.5.
1.5.
1.
Okay. All right. Sir, surgery ka?
Surgery will be somewhere around 85-90 lakhs.
Huh?
Around 85 to 90 lakhs.
So after the capitation fee and tuition money, pay an out-and-out bribe too. The NEET or National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test was supposed to streamline the system, do away with discretionary admissions. It's only ended up further streamlining corruption.
Private medical colleges are taking admission on the basis of donations, and whether the person has received got less number of marks, but they are still being given, and the quality of medical education is being suffered because of this. That is why the Supreme Court has decided and have given the order first to have a uniform examination throughout the country.
MBBS doctors and students who spent a year's worth of money preparing for the NEET are enraged. After NEET was announced, private universities filed a petition against such an exam. The exams were conducted, the Supreme Court ordered a stay, and results are still not out.
It's like we are puppets in their hands. When they had started one step ahead to stop corruption in India, now why aren't they following it then? Now it's like the same thing. They are selling it like wide open. They send us messages on phone, come and take the seat, give us this much money and take the seat. So it's wide open.
सबका वन एंट्रेंस हो रहा है, उसके ऊपर किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बस ये पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन का जो मेडिकल का एग्जाम है, इसके ऊपर बार-बार ऑब्जेक्शन लगाते हैं. सुप्रीम कोर्ट में केस होता रहता है, फिर चलती रहती है प्रोसीडिंग. और इंडिया में हेल्थ सेक्टर को इन्होंने प्राइवेट सेक्टर बना दिया है. कुछ भी नहीं हो पा रहा है.
There's no foreseeable end to the anguish of the students until the Supreme Court passes its judgment on the matter. The need of the hour is for the government to take stringent action against the agents who are fleecing the poor and desperate students of huge sums of money in exchange for a medical seat.
Officials only hold out assurances.
Says in various high courts of different states, and now Supreme Court has taken over all the cases together. The mere fact that they have told not to declare the result does not mean that it is going to delay. I am pretty sure that in due course of time, all the result of NEET will be declared, and no student should be suffering because of the delay.
As budding careers threaten to fade into nothingness.
हम टोटली हरियाणा को छोड़ के इनकी कोचिंग के लिए यहाँ आए, और इसके अलावा इनको जॉब ज्वाइन कर लेना चाहिए था अब तक, जो कि इसकी वजह से हम वो भी नहीं करवा पा रहे हैं. हम फर्दर इसकी ये डिले होता है तो फर्दर इनको हम जॉब भी ज्वाइन नहीं करा सकते. वो भी एक फाइनेंशियल बर्डन ही है.
Some colleges are asking for some reserve amount or some advance amount for the donations for getting a confirmed seat in the medical college. This is really surprising when a Supreme Court, they have given the directive one nation, one exam.
Above all, they're selected only because they paid, not because they were deserving. Can they be expected to be honest doctors ahead? With Afreen Alam, Bureau Report, News X.